For those po na gusto pong mag-visit visa po dito sa Bahrain, so I'm gonna give you guys the website. Ano po, www.evisa.gov.bh. So, po na yun po yung official website po dito ng e-visa po dito sa Bahrain. Actually guys, they have two options for e-visa. You can apply on online and visa on arrival. For those who have existing Schengen visa, US visa, you can apply visa on arrival. So, if you have a valid visit visa to UAE, UK, USA, and Schengen visa, or meron po kayong green card from US or US passport, you can visit here in Bahrain, visa on arrival po. Yun lang po. Pag meron po kayong visa sa Gulf countries, you can visit Bahrain. It's just so easy. You just need to apply for GCC visa. So, all you need to do is to magpakita lang po kayo ng proof of funds. Then, and at the same time po, yung hotel accommodation.